everyone, welcome back. My name is Avril, and if you are new to my channel, I upload a video every Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Hi guys, thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create a beautiful wire sculpture. Something like this with things you already may have. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. Here are a few supplies you will need for this project. I started off by outlining the artwork which I'll be using for this project. Here I'm using a Sharpie and I'm drawing an image of a bird which I was inspired by Pinterest. These are a few more examples of drawings which I'll be using for this project. The next step is to take your wire and cut it out to a length you would require. Here you see me straighten it out. Now it's time to start on your design. Here you see me shaping the wire step by step using the image as my guide. You will also need a set of pliers to bend certain areas when required. Remember guys, when shaping it, the image is just a guide to get the desired look. It doesn't have to be perfect, all you need is the shape of the image you are after. I repeated this process for the rest of my birds using different images that I drawn earlier. I cut it down to length and this is how it should turn out. Now it's time to start on the home sign. It's basically the same process, you just need to follow the image as your guide. This technique could be used on any one-line drawing art images. Now the wire art sculptures are done and ready for its next step. Now it's time to prep the concrete bases. Here you see me applying petroleum jelly on the bottom of my ice tray and basin. You could also use any type of oil you got in hand. Just remember guys, this step is very important when it comes to taking off the base. Here you see me mixing 3 cups of cement mix with 2 cups of water. You need to mix it well until you get a smooth and runny consistency and make sure there are no lumps. Once the mix is ready, you pour it into the molds you prepared earlier. Once you have poured the mix, tap it down gently to get rid of any air bubbles. Here you see me using some squares which I dipped in petroleum jelly. And afterwards, place them in the center of my cement mix. The next step is to center the home sign. Here you see me using the sign as a guide to help me place the squares. Now it's all prepped and ready to set out to dry. "24 hours later, it's dry and let's see how it turned out. I gently take them off out of their molds. Afterwards, I take off the skewers which I placed earlier and then, using a rag, take off all the excess petroleum jelly off the molds. Now it's ready for its next step. I decided to use Gorilla Glue to stick my wire sculptures to its base. I repeated this process for all of my sculptures and then wiped off all the excess glue using a rag. This is how my concrete wire art decor turned out. This is a perfect example. I even created a guest place card holder. Okay guys, hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to support my channel. Until next time, happy crafting!